Hey, welcome back to another video. Last week we talked about some science stuff. This week we're talking about, that's right, more science. More specifically, however, hold on, I'm going on a whim here, listening to my gut. Oh, that's right, gut bacteria. Let's talk about digestion. You know that stuff we do each and every day? We eat delicious food, we get sleepy after we eat that food, we wait a little bit and do that thing our body tells us to do after we eat that food. You get the point. Yeah, well, it's actually a little bit more complicated than that. Who would have thought? You know how we're always taught that the food we eat has an impact on our health? Well, what kind of impact does that really have? More specifically, what kind of impact does the American diet have on the GI tract? Let's talk about that. So I'm sure you've all heard of the digestive system, but what does that really mean? Well, the digestive system is more specifically known as the gastrointestinal tract or GI tract. It starts in the mouth, next to the throat, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, and finally the rectum. The whole point of this system is to turn delicious food into, well, nutrients. You know, that stuff your body uses to function. I mean, it's kind of important. Well, did you know the GI tract is full of bacteria? Yeah, well, this bacteria is good as it aids the digestion of food, while other bacteria is bad as it can wreak havoc in the digestive system and even in some cases lead to cancer. And so studies have shown that a very specific bacteria is found often in the gut of people living in developed nations, including the United States. This bacteria is called Helicobacter pylori cage A negative. Oh, wait, what does this bacteria even do? Well, I'll tell you what it does. This bacteria thrives in high sodium environments with low vegetable intake, everything the American diet has to offer. And this bacteria can even attach itself to cells in your GI tract, which causes the cells to have complications and mutate, which will inevitably increase your risk of developing GI cancer. So let's have some food for thought. What kinds of foods are you eating that you think you can get rid of in order to get a little edge on your health? And what are some ways you can incorporate more vegetables in your diet in order to benefit your health? Just a thought. So, yeah, I hope you liked the video. Any resources I used during the research for this project will be linked in the video, along with resources of images I used. Thank you so much for watching.